Hello everyone. So today we will look at a website which allows us to send free SMS. As you remember in a previous video, I have told you that as the PIR sensor detects an intruder, we will send an SMS to the owner of the house to alert him that there is an intruder in his house. So this is the perfect website which will allow us to send free SMS. Okay. Now the problem is that this website only gives us 10 free SMS, but you can anytime buy more SMS from this website. Okay. So we need to sign up first. We will click on the sign up button and we'll give our email address here. Okay. Now as you click on this create a free account button, you will receive a mail in your inbox from the Text Local accounts where you will get a link to activate your account. Here you need to fill in all your details like your name, your company name. If you don't have a company name, just click on friends and family use and it will go away. Use your address, town, city, pin code, time zone. Give your telephone number. You will receive a OTP and enter the OTP here. Then set a password. Accept the terms and condition and click on activate my account. I have already activated my account, so I'm not showing you the step again. But this is very simple and it is a secure website, so you can confidently give your data here. Now we will again go back to text local and log in. I've already created an account and I'm logging in into my account. Okay, so here I have logged in into my account. Now this is the dashboard where you can see that I have sent one SMS previously. Okay, anyway, okay, so we will make the API now. Now we need to go to help and click on all documentation. You need to go down and send SMS via PHP. Open that link, go down, click on read the documentation for this API and we'll use the get method. Here is the post method and the get method, but we'll use the get method. So we'll copy this code, we'll paste it somewhere like we need to make a PHP file. I've already made it, but I'm showing you again. So I'm using a PHP storm editor here. Okay, just paste the code here like this, and now we need an API key. Okay, so we'll go and generate an API key. Just click on this link here and you can see I've already generated an API key. Let me delete it, and now I will create a new API key here. Now you need to give an IP address or nodes, but it is not at all required. You can leave it blank and save the new key. Now copy this key and paste it here. Okay, now you need to give a number. I'm giving a number. Since it is an Indian number, it is of extension 91. You can give your own country code here. Sender. Don't change the sender as we are using the free SMS. Now if you buy the SMS from their website, then you can definitely change the sender here. And here will come with the SMS. That is, okay, let me give something warning. There is an intruder in your house. Okay, so I'm missing a inverted comma here. Okay, so we are set all, just we need to upload it to our webhost app. Now I have made a video where I have shown how to upload a file in webhost app. Okay, please go and watch that video, otherwise you won't understand how to upload a file in webhost app. I'm directly uploading the file. Now if you don't understand how to do it, watch the video where I've explained how to make an account in webhost app, and uploading files, making folders, everything in details. After that you won't be confused. Okay, now I will upload my sms.php here. Since I'm already having a file that I have used, okay, I will first delete it and then upload the new file. So I will upload my new sms.php file. Okay, so the file is being uploaded. The file has been uploaded here. Now we need to go to our Arduino code. This is the same code that I have made or that I have used in the previous video while I have made the home security system, the header files, the Wi-Fi name and the sensors, LED, the setup part and the loop part. I'm directly coming where our PIR sensor is detecting an intruder in the house. It is returning a high value, and as soon as it returns a high value, it will trigger this link. As soon as this link is triggered, an SMS will be sent to the specific number that we have mentioned in our code, okay, with the SMS that we have given there. Now we will upload this code. Now don't get confused if you are directly watching this video, because this is an extension of our previous video where I have not shown how to send an SMS. Okay, now in this video I am using an API of text local. Using that API I am sending a free SMS to my mobile phone when the PIR sensor detects an intruder. If you watch this video directly, you may not understand what I have done in this video. So for better understanding, please watch the previous video and then watch this video. The code is being uploaded. Just wait for the code to be uploaded. The code has been uploaded. Now we will switch on the sensor using the controller. Okay, this is the controller. I have shown how to make the controller in the previous videos. Okay, so please go through the playlist, watch the making of controller if you don't know how to make it. I am turning on the sensor here and I will see what happens in the serial monitor. The sensor is being on. I am triggering my PIR sensor. Okay, you can see one here and see an SMS has been sent to the mobile phone. Turning off the sensor, okay, otherwise it will go on sending the SMS and all my SMS will be over. Turned off the sensor now and I have received the SMS in my mobile phone. So this is how you trigger the PIR sensor and use the API to send a free SMS on mobile phone. Now make sure you're getting only 10 free SMS. Definitely you can buy the SMS anytime. So guys, I will show you one more thing, that now if you don't want to use API, you can just play some prank with your friends if you want. Okay, you can go here, you can click on send text SMS. Okay, and you can give any number of your choice and you can type a message here and click on send message. Now if you do this, what will happen, that text local will send an SMS to the particular number, okay, and your friend or anyone won't be able to recognize who actually is. So please don't do this in a very serious note. You can obviously do this as a prank, but if it harms someone, please don't do this. Thank you. That's it for today.